Tired of subpar latte art? The Rosetta is your secret weapon. It's more than just a pretty pattern. It's a fundamental building block for mastering the art of latte art pouring. Today, we are diving deep into the world of the Rosetta. I know what you're thinking. Just another latte art tutorial. But this is different. We're breaking it down, step by step. And it all starts with milk. Be sure not to inject too much air. When starting the steaming process, you don't want to make the foam too thick. Just enough so you still get those clean, precise lines that make up a Rosetta. Now, it's time to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Anyway, back to the art. Tilt your cup. Pour milk to make your canvas. Reach the lip of the cup. Now, pour just above the center of your cup. Wiggle the pitcher side to side. Like this. Move back toward the edge of the cup while still wiggling. Hold your position for a second and then pull up and through to complete. Keep practicing and you will be making latte art like these in no time. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.